It's been a year now since the Xreal Onr was released, and actually I've had mine for just a little over a year. I received mine the week before Thanksgiving, so about a week before Thanksgiving. Anyways, since this glasses was released a year ago, there has been 12 updates, and 7 of them has been a major update to these glasses. What that means is that Xreal is constantly working on these glasses, and they are releasing software based on users' needs. One of those major updates in particular that people asked for a lot was the 21:9 aspect ratio, which is a longer aspect ratio compared to the wider ultra wide. Another one that people asked for, like myself, was the ability to be able to adjust the distance and the sizing of ultra wide display, which is something that I use a lot, and just a whole bunch of different updates that they've made to these glasses. My experience with these glasses, I can honestly say, has been great. It has been the best glasses that I personally have used. And why is that? Well, the biggest one is 3DoF. Without 3DoF, I just cannot consider any glasses top of the line personally. The 3DoF just changes the experience completely. It doesn't matter how big the field of view is. It doesn't matter how sharp it is. It doesn't matter if it has 6DoF like the Xreal Air Ultra, Xreal Air 2 Ultra. It does not matter if it has 6DoF natively. If it doesn't have 3DoF, it's just not it for me. This glasses has been incredible, and the 3DoF has been very stable. On top of that, you have the option to add this external accessory, which is called the Xreal Eye, to give you 6DoF. Speaking of Xreal Eye, in the next 24 hours, I'm going to be giving away this. It has to go within the next 24 hours. I have tried to give it away in the past, doing a live video, doing like a live stream, but I just could not find a good enough reason to make a live stream video. And I wanted to do a perspective using this, but at the time I was only able to get a portrait live stream, and I'm not going to do a portrait live stream. And also, most of my videos are recorded at nighttime. Statistically speaking, based on my algorithm, most of my viewers are up during the daytime, so it does not make sense for me to make a live video at nighttime, middle of the night. So anyways, if you want this Xreal Eye, drop a comment in the comment section, and one of you will get it within the next 24 hours. Whoever I tag, their name is going to be pinned down in the comment section, and then you have 24 hours to reply to my message. From then on, I'm going to email you. If you don't respond to my message within 24 hours, I'll pick someone else, because I want to give this to somebody. I want somebody else to experience 6DoF and just see what this thing can do. Anyways, for the rest of you, if you don't win this, just keep on supporting me. I might pick you up for something. I also plan on doing a giveaway for this this frames right here, which is a 3D printed lens frames that I made. This right here, if you want one, also just drop a comment in the comment section. I will select the winner and send it, mail it to you. And please support all my other videos. See, sometimes I know this channel is mostly XR glasses, but I make videos of other things. Those other things is actually what generates the money to be able to buy all the other stuff, like the in-air Elite Suite that I bought, which was over $1,000. I paid for it out of pocket. But in order for me to do that, I have to generate money somewhere. And by generating money, by you guys watching and commenting on all these other videos, it helps me get that money. People has been asking me about the Vicha Beast. If Vicha doesn't send that to me, I might buy it. I don't know, because it's money that I really don't want to spend, and the Xreal Onr already does similar things, so I don't know if it's gonna be worth it. But if I'm able to generate enough money from these videos, maybe I will get it. As you guys know, Xreal also just released new glasses, which they said they're gonna send to me. So why would I buy Vichas if I could just get that one? I don't know, man. We'll see. Maybe not. But anyways, so in my 1 year of using these glasses, I just have thoroughly enjoyed it. Every time I do a review of something else, I would do a review, I would use it for a little bit, but then I will always drop it and come back to this. There is so much to love. It's not just the 3 Dove. The 3 Dove is the biggest thing, but it's not just 3 Dove. The audio, for example, the in-ear suite that just came out with the in-ear pod, it's an amazing system. It's the best spatial computing that you can use, but I end up having to drop that because of the audio. So most of the time I end up connecting my Xreal Onr glasses to the in-ear pod just because the audio on this thing just sounds so much better. It sounds better than any other thing out there. The only thing that comes close to this is the Rayneo's Air 3 and 3S are the only glasses that come close to this as far as audio quality. And then the 3 Dove, just smooth. I don't have no drifting issues whatsoever. It's another reason why I don't know if I want to buy the Beast or not, because my experiences with, I've had 2 virtual glasses, and with those glasses, I've had drifting issues. And then I've had a few comments on my YouTube telling me that the Luma Ultra also is suffering from drifting issues. So it's like, do I want to invest $500 and something into that? I don't know, man. In the 1 year that these glasses has come out, no other company has put a 3 Dove in their glasses as far as XR, like on the market. Now, the closest thing that we have that might be close to that will be the InMo Air 3. The InMo Air 3 is a battery powered glasses, and it's just completely different from this. So anyways, this is just a quick video of me telling you guys my experience in the last 1 year, and is that it's been awesome. So many updates, so many features just jam-packed into this. It's self-sufficient. I don't even know if that word applies to this, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. This has been my opinion on this Xreal Onr. I think that it's still worth it. Even when that 1S comes out, this is still worth it to me. And I have a very good feeling all throughout next year, this will still be worth it. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.